we'll guide you through how to understand Stripe pricing. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe website. Once there, you'll want to navigate to the pricing page, which you can find in the main menu at the top. Here, you'll see an overview of the different pricing models that Stripe offers. Stripe primarily operates on a pay-as-you-go model, meaning you only pay for what you use. For standard transactions, Stripe charges a percentage of each transaction plus a fixed fee. Currently, for online card payments, the fee is typically around 2.9%, plus 30 cents per successful card charge. It's important to note that these rates can vary depending on your location and the type of transaction. Now, if you're dealing with international cards or currency conversion, additional fees may apply, so make sure to check those details if you're doing business globally. Stripe also offers customized pricing for larger businesses that process a significant volume of payments each year. If this applies to you, you might want to reach out to Stripe directly to negotiate a plan that better fits your needs. Additionally, on the pricing page, you'll find information about the fees associated with other Stripe services, like billing, invoicing, or terminal payments for in-person transactions. Stripe offers a wide range of services, so it's worth exploring these sections to see if any additional fees might apply to your specific business model. Understanding these costs up front can help you make informed decisions about how to integrate Stripe into your business. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.